In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add a content block to your Squarespace website. This process is straightforward and will help you personalize your site, whether you're adding text, images, or other elements. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to integrate new blocks seamlessly into your page design. So, let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Squarespace homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with various options for managing your site. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Edit button. This button is usually found on the top right of your dashboard screen. Clicking Edit allows you to modify the content and layout of your website pages. You'll find yourself in the editing mode, where you can see the familiar layout of your site and begin to interact with its various elements. Now, let's move on to adding a new block by clicking on the Add Block option. This part of the process is where you can enrich your page with new material. A list of different block types will appear, including options like text, image, gallery, and more. Take your time to browse through and consider what kind of content suits your needs best. Whether you want to add a text box for some informative content, a gallery to showcase your recent projects, or even a code block for a custom HTML widget, you have plenty of choices. Once you've decided, click on the type of block you want to insert. Your chosen block will then appear on your page, ready for you to customize. You can now adjust the block settings further to fit the look and feel of your overall website design. Experiment with different layouts, colors, and fonts to find what works best for you. It's all about making your website more engaging and reflective of your unique style or business needs. After you've made all your adjustments and are satisfied with how your page looks, the last step is crucial: saving your changes. Locate the Save button, which is usually found at the top or bottom of your screen. It's important not to skip this step, as any modifications you've made won't reflect on your live site until they're saved. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new block to your Squarespace website. This simple process not only enhances your website's functionality, but also allows you to tailor the user experience to better suit your brand's message. Remember, the more you explore and experiment, the more proficient you'll become. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more guides that help you make the most out of your online presence.